In today's video, I'm going to teach you OneDrive, how to sync or unsync only specific folders. Easy, 5 minutes. If your computer is running low on space or you just want more control over what's stored locally, selective sync in OneDrive is the perfect solution. Here's how to choose exactly which folders stay on your computer and which ones remain in the cloud. First, look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar near the clock. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. In that panel, look for the gear icon. This is the settings icon, and click it. From the menu that appears, choose settings. This opens the OneDrive settings window where we can make changes specific to your device. Inside the settings window, go to the account tab. This tab shows details about your storage and connected accounts, but the option we want is choose folders. Click choose folders to open the selective sync dialog. In the Choose Folders window, you'll see a list of your OneDrive folders. Here's how it works. Checking a folder means it will sync to this computer, so its contents will download and be available offline. Unchecking a folder means it won't sync locally, so the local copy will be removed from your computer, but the folder and all of its contents will remain safely in OneDrive online. You can still access them anytime from a web browser or by re-enabling sync later. If you see a parent folder with a checkbox, remember that checking it will include its subfolders. You can expand folders to be more precise and select only the subfolders you actually need. A quick tip, start by unchecking large folders you rarely open to free up the most space. After you've selected the folders you want to keep on this device and unselected the ones you don't, click OK to save your changes. OneDrive will apply those choices right away. You may notice files appearing or disappearing in your OneDrive folder as it updates. That's expected. If you unsynced a folder, it won't show up locally anymore, but it's still in the cloud. To bring it back later, repeat these steps and check it again. If you can't find the OneDrive icon, open your Start menu and search for OneDrive to launch it. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the correct account. That's it, quick, clean, and totally under your control. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra space and peace of mind.